Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we provide unbiased product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of pizza ovens and taking a closer look at the Ooni Karu 16. If you're searching for a versatile and high-quality pizza oven, this might be the one for you. Let's get started. The Ooni Karu 16 is the largest and most expensive outdoor oven from Ooni. Priced at $799, it offers a range of features, including the ability to use various fuel sources and the capacity to make pizzas up to 16 inches in size. It even has enough space for calzones and taller items. However, if you're looking to save some money, Ooni's other ovens work just as well. When a pizza oven is recommended by the Associazione Verace Pizza Napolitana, you know it's something special. Neapolitans take their pizza seriously, and the Ooni Karu 16 lives up to their high standards. With its built-in thermometer, large glass door, and options for wood, charcoal, pellets, propane, or natural gas, it's a top contender in the world of pizza ovens. The Ooni Karu 16 is available for $799 on Ooni's website and other online retailers. Keep in mind that this price only includes the wood-burning model. If you prefer using propane or natural gas, you'll need to purchase the respective gas burner separately. Additionally, I recommend investing in a pizza peel and a separate infrared thermometer for a complete pizza-making experience. The Karu 16 features a rectangular shape that tapers towards the back. It sits on 3 folding legs, which elevate the oven to prevent excessive heat transfer to the table beneath. At the front, you'll find a large glass door that allows you to monitor the cooking process without losing heat. It's a convenient feature that comes in handy. Weighing 60 pounds and measuring about 3 feet in length, the Karu 16 is not as portable as some of Ooni's lighter models. However, its advantage lies in its versatility. This oven can accommodate multiple fuel types, including wood pellets, charcoal, and wood chunks. Using wood provides an authentic experience, while the gas attachment offers convenience. Loading wood into the Karu 16 is a breeze thanks to the large door on the upper back. It's much more convenient than some other ovens on the market. However, cleaning out the ash can be a bit of a hassle, as you have to pull the entire fire pan through the oven. Nonetheless, the Karu 16's performance is outstanding, cooking perfect pizzas in minutes. With a 16-inch cooking surface, the Karu 16 allows you to make larger pizzas than Ooni's smaller models. It also offers a taller chamber, giving you the freedom to cook taller items and even sear steaks in a cast iron pan. The glass door and built-in thermometer add to the overall convenience, making your pizza-making experience even more enjoyable. While the Karu 16 is the most expensive wood or gas-powered oven from Ooni, you don't necessarily need it to achieve delicious results. The Fire at 12, for example, can produce equally good pizzas. However, if you want more options in terms of fuel sources and the ability to make larger pizzas, the Karu 16 is worth considering if it fits your budget. To wrap it up, the Ooni Karu 16 is a top-notch pizza oven with numerous bells and whistles. The wide range of fuel options, larger cooking surface, and added conveniences like the glass door and built-in thermometer make it a fantastic choice for pizza enthusiasts. If you can afford it, the Karu 16 will take your pizza-making game to the next level. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy pizza making!